Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Hyundai Accent wiper blades. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is off. Gather your new wiper blades. For many Hyundai Accent models, the front driver's side is 26 inches and the passenger side is 16 inches. You'll also want a soft cloth to protect your windshield and a small flathead screwdriver, just in case a clip is a bit tricky. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back down, as this could damage your glass. Next, find the small locking clip or tab where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this clip, then slide the old blade downwards or outwards to detach it from the arm. Repeat this for both front wipers. With the old blades removed, it's time for the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto your Hyundai Accent's windshield. To complete the process, turn on your Hyundai Accent and activate the windshield wipers. Spray some washer fluid to lubricate the glass and observe the new blades in action. They should wipe smoothly and quietly, clearing the windshield without leaving any streaks or unwiped areas. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. And speaking of quality, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.